So I sent this particular setup in the Discord channel, and I saw that some people blindly, like absolutely oblivious people, entered this trade. And this is the problem with people. If I share something, see, I understand that you think I'm a great trader. I understand that you look up to me and you look up to my analysis, but that doesn't mean that you'll become a blind person and just do exactly what is happening or exactly what I'm telling. No, what you have to do is use that brain of yours, which God has given you, to think just like I have got one, and which I use for myself. Very simple. So first of all, this move was yesterday night, right? And if you have been in the community, if you've watched enough of my trade breakdowns, I've said this like a million times that for you to enter a zone on an impulse entry or an ambush entry or an entry without a candle closing, the zone should be tested 2 times at least in the same session. So this is not going to be counted because this was yesterday's session. This will be counted for sure. So this is tested only once in today morning, right? Today morning it was tested, pre-London session, whatever you want to call it. Then this was here for the second time. Now if this move was a bit different, I would definitely enter over here on this particular candle close. If let's say the move was something like consolidation, candle close, this is where I would enter 100%, no doubt about it. But was this move like that? No, absolutely not. The move was traveling all the way from here. And the chances of something like this giving a fake breakout is very, very high. Again, if you haven't watched my analysis videos, if you haven't watched my trade breakdown videos, you will not understand what I'm talking about. So I would strongly urge you to take a little bit of time out of your very, very important schedule, because your time is so valuable. You don't have time to watch the content I provided you for free. Please take out some time and please watch those videos, because that will benefit you a lot and that will help you in reading my analysis much, much better. And price action was also pretty evident, right? Because see what's happening. Build up of liquidity, sweep, price goes up. Build up of liquidity, sweep, build up of liquidity, sweep, build up of liquidity, sweep again, build up, sweep, and once again we're having almost another sweep. So price was tricky. If again you look at price was pretty tricky. So I don't see any reason to enter over here. And if you think trading is just simple support and resistance, no, it's not. It's much more than that. You have to read the price, you have to use your brain, you have to look at the timings, you have to look at the session, you have to look at the volumes. There are so many factors. I mean, we're talking about becoming financially free over here. It's not a joke. If people could become financially free just by looking at a support or a resistance, everybody would be financially free right now. So please start using your brains a little bit. And this video is of course for those people who entered or lost money on this particular move, because this was not a good trade. This was not even a valid trade, guys. One test, if this wouldn't happen, this would happen and the candle would close, this is where I would enter, but it did not. So this was a clear sweep move. Price went up, first of all price came down, took out the buyers here, price went up, took out the sellers here, and then now it's going down. So you need to identify these moves, because if you're not going to identify these moves, you will not be able to know when not to trade, and eventually the price will take you out and you'll keep losing money. I hope this helps.